Professor, kayo ho ba'y nanood kahapon ng hearing? So far po, in gist, ano po ang inyong analysis?
Well, basically kahapon yung hearing, no, we were able to have several resource persons, no, and several names were already floated. And yon kahapon doon sa admission, doon sa statement and affidavit ni doon dating aide, close-in aide ni Representative Saldico, binanggit niya exactly, no, kung saan yung mga lugar, kung saan niya idinideposito or idinadala yung mga basura na nasa maleta, no, worth around 48 million each, no, at the very least. And it was given in vivid detail, I would say, no, including the people na humaharap sa kanila kapag ibibigay nila yung itong mga allegedly itong mga basura nga na to, no. So basically medyo para sa akin maganda yung naging flow kahapon. And then of course the statements that were made by the former USEC of DPWH, USEC Bernardo, also pointed out several other personalities. No, these are high-ranking officials, most of them senators. No, Senator Chis Escudero was mentioned, and also Senator Nancy Binay as well as Senator Bong Revilla. Each of them getting around 15 to 20% commitment. No, and yung kay Senator Escudero nga is yung para sa kanyang campaign funding. And again, this is very much indicative, no, of what's going to happen in the coming days. No, I think more names will come out. More surprises will be given, pero ang isa sa pinaka sa akin tumatak kahapon, ano, there was the mention of the name that cannot be mentioned, and that is of course former Speaker Martin Romualdez's name was already mentioned in this Senate inquiry, which I think is good, no, dahil nga I think all roads lead naman to him for this in this case, no. Pero in the previous incidents mo ng ating mga pagdinig, mukhang hindi siya nababanggit masyado, pero right now I think it's a good thing na nabanggit na yung kanyang pangalan.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami. Hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So, paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!